Hello guys, welcome to SAP. Today's video are going to show you our new design Bonnet Scoop for Jetour G700. The Bonnet Scoop creates your car a type of raw look, so that some of car owners are prefer to upgrade it. The Bonnet Scoop is made of injection molding process, so that's high quality, and we match it glossy black and matte black, and we added a G700 logo here to make it look more spacious. In addition, the Bonnet Scoop is also practical. When you go off-roading, the stones will be kicked by front cars to hit our hood. So if you have this Bonnet Scoop, it can protect our car. The Bonnet Scoop is easy to be installed, just stick on the car. And if you don't want it, it's easy to be removed on. And the black color is a good match. Whether your car is orange, black, white or brown, it wouldn't be stand out on the car. Now let's go to see the effect on different color cars. For the original car bonnet, our upgrade Bonnet Scoop, and the top 5 version bonnet, which one you prefer? Welcome to leave message in our comments. Thank you for your watching. See you!